So now let's start looking into the 5 signs and get a deeper dive on them. First, we have service management tool in place. First item is work order process. Work order creation. How are you currently creating work orders? Are you manually creating them when a customer calls with a service request? Do you have a connection with the customer's ticketing system? With connected field service, an error code could create a service request without manual interventions. Incident type identification. Does your tool have a way to identify potential failures on your assets to assist with skills required for the service and with what potential parts will be used or procedures that should be followed to remedy the failures? Having a connected field service in place allows you to align error codes with what is required to repair from the proper skill set, replacement parts, procedures to follow, and resolutions. Dispatching. Does your tool have dispatching capability manually or automated? Asset management. Does your tool have the ability to track asset information from configuration, readings, locations of your assets? Work order completion. Does your system have a way to track resolution for certain failure types so you can monitor failure trends? Next is resource scheduling. Does your tool have a way to identify resource skills and certifications that align with the failure types? Having this in place will assist with aligning the proper resources with the error codes the assets produce. IoT capabilities. IoT error reporting. Does your tool have the capability to track error logging from remote assets? IoT performance tracking. Does your tool have the capability to report on assets health and failure trends? Having this will allow you to not only see when an error occurred on an asset, but also give you a way to perform root cause analysis if you start to see a trend on failures with like assets. Next is a slide. It just shows you the capabilities of connected field service within Dynamics 365. What you see on the screen right now, you see for this asset, which is a Smart Brew 300, you see that it has device readings. Here it's monitoring the heat sensor, and you'll see that it's tracking it from the time frame of July 2nd from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and shows you any variances in real-time readings.